What's up, everyone? How are you doing? Today is a pretty big day for me. Today we're going to go to the post office to pick up my new watch, which is going to be, as you can probably see on the title, the Tudor Black Bay 58. That's right. So I haven't showed you guys the previous watch that I purchased, which was an Aqua Dive Poseidon GMT. I haven't had the time really because I've been doing my military service, and last week I graduated, which is very nice. And the Aqua Dive I'm going to sell because it's not economically viable really to have purchased both the Aqua Dive and then this Tudor. I mean, these are quite big purchases for me. And if you're wondering why there's a car tire behind me, that's because well, I'm going to be selling this car soon, and these are winter tires. Those are studded winter tires. Why? Well, because I live in Sweden and studded winter tires are the real deal. Now let's do a wristwatch check. So today, if you can see that, you probably cannot, I'm wearing, I'll just pull up some footage. I'm wearing my Ginot Classic 40 Stahlblau for, you know, steel blue dial, because this has got a blued steel dial, just like you would see blue steel hands. Well, this watch I purchased back in November. I found this company online. I looked up the history of the company. There's a lot of interesting history on Ginot. They've made some really cool watches in the past. They're very, very rare to find online, and they have been a supplier of components and full-on watches for Sinn in Germany. Ginot was founded in Switzerland, in the French part, I believe, which is why they're called Ginot, the French pronunciation. But after a while, I don't know exactly when, they moved to Frankfurt. They moved to Germany, to the same city in which Sinn resides. And they've been a supplier, or they were a supplier of components and watches to Sinn. And actually, a funny fact here is, when the founder of Sinn, Helmut Sinn, sold the company, he actually went in and purchased his old supplier, Ginot, and ran Ginot for a couple of years, I think. But then, as you all know, he passed away a couple of years ago, and now the company has had somewhat of a revival, I think, and they still make fantastic pieces in Germany. So I'm going to be making a more in-depth video of my Ginot Stahlblau, because it is a fantastic watch. I really love this thing. Right now I've got it on a leather strap from a website called Oddface here in Sweden. He makes fantastic custom-made straps. All you have to do to get exactly what you want is to get in touch with him. Just say, hey, I want a 20mm tapered strap. I want the tapered to be exactly from 20 to 16. I want a brushed buckle, or I want a polished buckle. I want this material. I want this stitching. I want this color on the stitching. You know, the custom madeness of it all is really interesting. So if you want a custom made strap, go ahead and contact the guy over at Oddface. He makes fantastic straps. It's been a long time, and sorry about that. I haven't been very active on any social media either. And why? Well, it's pretty easy to explain. I've been doing my military service here in Sweden for 9 months, so I've been conscripted for 9 months, gotten my education, both the basic soldier's education and also the more specialized job education, that being, in my case, heavy vehicles driver, terrain going semi-trucks basically is what I've been driving in the military. And also I've been educated a signalist, so a bunch of radio equipment and all that stuff. So I've been doing all that for 9 months, and I graduated June, or was it now? It was a Friday 2 weeks ago, I think, which was fantastic, right in time for summer and everything. So I decided pretty early on that I wanted to celebrate both my 20th birthday and my graduation from the military service with a watch. So I've been saving up money for these past 9 months, and today is the day. I ordered this watch from Millinery Watches. They are right here in Sweden, and they had the Tudor Black Bay 58 available in stock, brand new. They're not an authorized dealer. They are a gray market dealer, but I couldn't find a Tudor Black Bay 58 from any of the authorized dealers that I have somewhat of a relationship with, and it was getting tight on time, because I wanted to purchase this as soon as possible after graduating from my military service. And the guys over at Millinery Watches are great guys, very nice customer support, and I've been eyeing their sort of inventory for quite some time. And then just last Friday, I believe, I went on to their website and I found that they had just posted a brand new Tudor Black Bay 58 with the OG color scheme for basically list price, with the 5-year warranty and all that. And so I purchased it, as easy as that. And it's gonna be really, really exciting to pick it up, size the bracelet, and start wearing it. So I'm happy that you guys want to follow along on this journey. This is going to be quite a long video, but I figured that it would be quite appreciated sharing the journey from driving to the post office and picking it up, to unboxing it, resizing it, and giving you guys my first impressions of the watch. So we are at the post office just about now. Let's see here. Oh yeah, there we go. Okay, so I just picked up the watch, went really quick. Now I'm gonna drive home and we're gonna do the unboxing. Cue time lapse. All right, so we're home. All right. Well, this doesn't look suspicious at all. Let's see here. Oh we got more packaging. Well, they do not skimp on the packaging there, I'll tell you that. Here we go. This looks more like it. Oof. This is it. Let's zoom in. Now, no more talking. Let's just get into the goddamn Tudor. Let's do it. All right, upside down as usual. This is the new packaging. I don't think I've had this before. Okay, millinery watch. A nice handwritten letter. Thank you for your order. We hope you will be happy with your Tudor 58. Regards, Millinery Watches. This is your card. Fantastic. Always nice to see a handwritten note. Oh, that was kind of anticlimactic. Okay, well, the watch is in one of these this types of packaging, which you will find when the watch is brand new. They ship the watch out like this to the AD, and then the AD pairs the watch with its box. And as the watch is still brand new and they want to kind of signify that, they've shipped it with this container. So on the back we have our warranty card, and let's see how we get this thing out of this box. This is exciting. Woo! Look at that bracelet. That taper. I love that taper. It is fantastic. Okay. Oh man. Oh man, this size. I can already tell the size of this thing is just perfect. Wow, look at that. It's a lot thinner than the normal Black Bay 41. Man, this thing is awesome. Oh yeah, look at that. Peeling the plastics off. Oof, and look at that dial. That clean, simplistic, beautiful dial. And the bezel action, yeah. Have some more plastics to peel off. Remember, this thing was built to be worn. I don't want any plastics on my watch. There we go. There we go. And would you just look at that side profile view? I think this is the best profile of the Tudor Black Bay 58. This side view where you can easily see the domed sapphire crystal, the chamfers on the case, both the brushed on the top and the extremely nice polish with the rose crown on this side. This, I think, is the watch's best angle. It just looks fantastic in this angle. Get this off, let's place that there. Let's size up the bracelet.
And there we go. Look at this thing. Fits extremely nicely on my wrist. This is just the perfect size, 39 millimeters. I'm so happy that they put out the Black Bay in this size. It is truly the perfect size. Look at that profile too. It's not too thick. Bracelet tapers very nicely. It is very comfortable, quite light actually, but still a very solid feel. Just look at that crystal there. Domed sapphire crystal looks fantastic. And I really do love these chamfered edges as well. I think this is the sexiest trait of the old oyster style cases. It looks really nice, that chamfered edge. Really beautiful. And the watch overall, I mean, it is fantastic. So first impressions, I really do love this watch. This is totally a keeper. And yeah, I'll be back some other time with a review video of this watch. So what do you guys think about this watch? Please do feel free to let me know in the comment section down below. Leave a like and subscribe if you would like to see more content just like this one. And I'll catch you guys in my future videos. Bye bye.